today with a haul video. This is so many new products. Most of them, like 98% of them, are things that I purchased recently from Ulta and Sephora. A couple PR things, which I'll make sure I let you guys know what was sent to me. But I have a ton of cool new products. A lot of them are going to be in upcoming videos of testing new products. One of them is what I filmed today, so some of these products are already on my face. But I wanted to share with you guys some things that I picked up, and if I've tried them, I will let you know my thoughts on them. Otherwise, I'll just show you some swatches and we'll kind of go right through them so you can see what products are new. So if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Cassie. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Decide to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And now let's just get into the haul. Hey. No, 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 hey, no. To start off, I just want to say a big thanks to Scentbird for partnering with me on this video. You guys know I've loved Scentbird for at least 5 years. I don't know, however long they've been open. I swear that I have been using Scentbird. I remember using them at my old house. I've been here for 4 years, so I know it's been like between 4 and 5 years at least. And if you're not familiar with Scentbird, it is basically a subscription service for scents, and now they're adding a ton of new products. So the Scentbird original line was fragrances. You'd get something like this, and you would get a new scent every month. So it's a 30-day scent. You can change out your scents as often as you would like. So every month you could do a new scent. And it's just great because if you wanted to try out a scent before actually investing in a full-size perfume, which is usually, you know, anywhere from $60 to $100+, this is a great way to see if you liked it, because I don't know about you, but there's times where I have smelt something on someone and just fell in love with it. But then when I've bought the $100 perfume and put it on myself, I'm like, it doesn't smell the same. So this is great to try it out. Make sure it smells how you like it to smell on you, because not all perfumes smell the same on everybody. And I love it. You have these little cases that are reusable. And the scents I have here, which you guys already know I'm obsessed with, are the Elizabeth & James Black and White Nirvana. I was so excited to see that they had these because I have been a huge lover of this perfume. And these are just so great to travel with, and I love putting these in my purse. So Black and White Nirvana, you can wear them separately or wear them together. I personally love to wear them together. Mixing them is like my all-time favorite. Also have extended their line of products, which I'm really excited about. So they have candles now, which I love candles. You can see I have one like burning in the back there. This one is the Earl Grey and Blackberry, which really surprised me because I wasn't sure I was gonna love the scent, and then I opened it and I was like, oh my gosh, that smells so good. It has a nice blackberry scent, but it's not like this overly berry or overly herbal scent either. It just smells phenomenal, and I love the packaging. I think it's so cute. So this is their Nourishing Sugar Scrub in coconut and sugar, and it looks like it's nicely packed full of scrubbers. It says creamy coconut mixed with sugary goodness, smells like the beach, but better, sweeter than your average scrub. And our ultra intense formula leaves the skin feeling oh so good. And it has sugar, vitamins E, C, and ground coconut shell. No parabens, no sulfates, and it is cruelty free. And it smells like the beach. It smells so good. Yeah, that smells amazing. I'm really excited to try that out. And then their hand cream, this is the white tea and fig. This stuff smells phenomenal, and it makes your hands so like smooth without being greasy. I don't know about you, but I hate hand cream that makes your hands like slippery and greasy and like gunky feeling, and then you like go to drive your car and it's getting all over your steering wheel. I don't know why, but for some reason in the car is when I always apply hand cream. It absorbs really, really quickly, and it leaves your hands like feeling so soft. So I'm really excited about these new Scentbird products. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. Have you guys tried any of these new products? Let me know in the comments, and thank you so much, Scentbird, for partnering with me on this video. And now let's get into a bunch of makeup haulage. We have a lot here. A big box from Ulta, and we just have a lot to go through here. So I won't make this like a 20-minute video, or I'm gonna try not to. So I'm just gonna grab and we're gonna just roll through it. So the first thing is, I just picked this up yesterday from Sephora. It's the Anastasia and Amorisi palette or highlighter. Oh, this is so pretty. Look how beautiful that is. This is gorgeous. I actually put that on over another highlight, but I tried to get some of the other highlight off, but look at this. It's like, it's intense. Like, she is intense. I feel like I gotta tone her down a little bit. But absolutely beautiful I'll give you a little swatch. Oh, look at that. It like looks wet. It almost appears wet. Oh, it's so pretty. So far, I'm loving that. I think it's gorgeous and it's really, really pretty. Next is what's on my lips. This is the new Kat Von D lipsticks. Now they had the Studded Kiss line already, but they had a bunch of new shades. You guys know I love Bow and Arrow in the liquid lipstick. So I got it in the regular lipstick. This color is gorgeous. So that's what I'm wearing today. Very comfortable on the lips, and it is a matte, but it feels really nice. It's not like a drying matte, you know what I'm saying? Next from Sephora, I picked up this Bright Future skin tint. This is newer. I got the color beige. It's supposed to be where's like all the information? Instantly smooth skin, improves its overall appearance, creating a fresh and healthy looking glow. Lightweight formula, blah, 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 vitamin E, shea extract. I thought this would be a really great product for the summer. I got the shade, like I said, 25 beige. Give her a little shakeroo. Just supposed to be like a tinted moisturizer. So I'm excited to try that. Have you guys tried this yet? I'm pretty sure it's new, and I was gonna use this in a trying new products. So we'll see how this works out. Beauty Filter Cream Glow. I saw it as a new product, got really excited about it. And then I am going to film a like full face using the highest rated products at Sephora. And this was actually one of the items, which was great because I had just bought it. And I also used it today in a testing new products. And I like it so far. It's not like a pore filling primer, but it does give like a nice base for your foundation. This I've shown in a few videos, but I kind of bought this at the same time as those. The Velvetizer from Urban Decay. This stuff is phenomenal. I can't sing its praises enough. It literally just like smooths the pores and it makes your makeup last all day. I just absolutely love it. Now we have a ton of Ulta stuff and a ton of Catrice and Revolution Beauty. The Revolution Sport Fix setting spray. This is new. I just used it for the first time today. I'm not particularly it's got a nice mist, like you can see that. I'm not particularly, what is that? I'm trying to think what the smell is. It smells like Windex. That is what it smells like, Windex. I was trying to figure out what the heck it smelled like. It smells like Windex. Well, now that makes me like, not sure if I really like it. It smells like Windex. Okay. Then we have this Catrice, the Ultimate Chrome palette, which I was really excited about when I saw it online. But I mean, I know my lights will wash out a little bit, but literally it's not that big of a deal because they all pretty much look exactly the same. I tried this color on my eye today and it just like lacked luster. And all of these shades like are really pretty, but when you get them on your eye, they look so similar. Like it's such a slight variance that you can't really tell the difference between one color from the other. So it's like a palette of all the same colors. So yeah, that was kind of a waste of money. So I also picked these up, these Catrice Aqua Fresh Highlighting Eyeshadows. This one is in Luminous Sensation. It is what is on my lid. Oh, it's so pretty. So it's like this jelly consistency, and these apply awesome with a brush. So you can dip your brush in there and it's gonna pick up the product so nicely so you can really blend it out. The other color is this white pearl color. Kind of has like a blue duochrome and it's called Water Lights. I have not tried that yet, but look how pretty those are. So these are exciting. I definitely love this more rosy gold color. The Luminous Sensation I think is really, really pretty. I think these are new. They said new. The Catrice Prime and Fine Makeup Transformer Drops. This one is the wake up effect and this one is the lightning. I also got, where's the other one? Oh, I also got this one in waterproof. So this is supposed to make your foundation waterproof. This is supposed to make it lighter and this is supposed to wake it up. So I don't know. I'm like intrigued by these, but I'm also a little bit scared. So the wake up is like an orange, it's like straight up orange. I just feel like that's going to make my foundation really orange. Like if I put that on my foundation, I don't know if it's gonna make me look more awake. I feel like it's gonna make me look a little oompa loompa. The lightning one makes sense. It's a lighter one. They had a darker one too, so if you need to darken your foundation. So this makes sense that you would put this in your foundation to lighten it up. That makes sense. I think the color is good. It's not a stark white. And then the waterproof one looks interesting. So I really want to try this with like a foundation that I already really like and see what it does to it. And the waterproof one is just clear. It's actually kind of tacky too. It's clear and tacky. So I'm intrigued by that. The orange wake up one kind of scares me a little bit because I just feel like it's going to be a mess. But if you guys want to see it in a video, we can try it together and see how it works and see if it's an absolute mess or not. These were sent to me. These are the True Match Lumi Glow Nudes. So we have the Moon Kissed and Sun Kissed. I was going to try these out in a video as well. I haven't opened them yet, but they are highlighting palettes. I have not heard great things about them, but we will give them a go. I also picked up this Catrice makeup blending sponge. I want to see if it's any good. Catrice stuff is just so inexpensive that I'm like very, very intrigued by the brand. You guys have already seen this in a video, the Makeup Revolution concealers. I picked up a few shades. I picked up C3, which I'll swatch these for you. You don't get a ton of product in these, C4, but I do like them. I wore C4 under my eyes today, and I like them better than the Shape Tape. The Shape Tape's just too drying for me. And then I picked one for a contour shade, which is C12. So I really like those. I feel like they have a nice pinkiness to them. I prefer like a more pinky concealer for my skin tone. So I picked up this Catrice Light Correcting Serum Primer in Candlelight, and I really want to try this. I almost tried this one today, but I tried the other Fresh Glow one. And let's see. Just give it a little swatch. Oh yeah, it definitely illuminates. And it has a nice like slight scent to it. So it gives a nice glow. It's not like over the top glowy, but that's pretty. So I'm excited to try that one out as well. Pick up a new foundation. This is the Almay True Lasting Color 16-Hour Makeup. I got the shade 16. It's supposed to nourish and protect skin for 16 hours. Looks freshly applied all day. So we'll give that one a go and see if it's any good. Almay is like one of those brands that I'm like bored by, but also kind of intrigued by at the same time. These are the Bright Future, it's new from Sephora, the Bright Future Radiant Luminizer. And it was under like the under eye concealer. So at first I thought, oh, it's like an under eye brightener. No, this is an actual highlighter. This is the shade Champagne. And you can see there, this one's really pretty. It's kind of more of like a Bellini color. I think it has more of like a golden peach shade. But I'm excited to try these out. It's supposed to be a liquid highlighter. So don't get fooled if you look on Sephora under concealers, under eye concealers, and that pops up, because I literally thought that was just meant for under the eyes. Retouch Brightening Concealer from Catrice, and it says 18-hour moisturizer. And I got the shade Lavender. Why did I get the shade Lavender? Okay, so this is supposed to go under your eyes to brighten. It is very purple. It's very sticky. Like it's not real creamy. It's very, very sticky. It says it's a color correcting lavender concealer that balances yellow skin patches and brightens dull skin. I don't think I should have got that for my skin. I think that that was the wrong product to get. A couple of these Catrice single eyeshadows. This first one is in the shade Gold Is What You Came For. And they're these little single metallic shadows, if I can get it open. And this one is just a light, like white gold. That's really pretty. Swatched. That's gorgeous. Very, very pretty. The next one, this one came cracked, and it is in the shade Life on High Heels, and it is a cranberry color. Very, very soft. Like they're a little bit powdery. Like when you get your finger in there, they do have like a little bit of like powder kickback, but like crumbliness, you know, but they look really pretty. And then this one is Chocolate Cake by the Ocean, and it's a gorgeous like taupe. Can you see that? So pretty. So I'm excited to try those. I think those look really, really pretty. Catrice is like interesting. They have some really awesome products. This is the Strobe to Glow highlighter stick in the shade Ultra Golden Galaxy. It's one of these like little chubby sticks. I don't know why I keep getting these because I don't ever really love these. Oh, it's actually really creamy. I thought it was kind of chunky at first. That looks really pretty. I have to give it that. That looks pretty. So I'm excited to try that. And then I picked up, I thought this was a mascara, but it's actually a primer. Glam and Dull Volumizing Mascara Primer. And it just looks like a standard primer. So we'll give that a go at some point and see how that works. ColourPop, they sent over all these new, they call them luster dust. Now what I had on under that Amarizi highlight, because I was trying these out in a video, was this one. These do have some glitter in them, so if you do not like glitter in your highlighters, you might not like these, but if you want these for your eyes, I think it's gonna be beautiful. So one of the shades, actually two of the shades, in that tutorial for this look here. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!